Hello and welcome to this episode of Nerd Bytes. Today what we're going to talk about is getting Google SSO integrated with your New Relic account so that you can authenticate via Google SSO when you're logging in and out of New Relic. What you can see is that I have my SSO settings page open here on the right hand side. You can get there just by going to account settings and then you'll see single sign-on on the left. And then on the left over here we can see that I have my Google admin page open here as well. So what we first need to do is jump into apps. From here, we're going to go to SAML apps. We're going to add a new SAML application here. So I can search for it here. I can just type in New Relic. There'll be a couple of options. I need the second one here, so Web SAML. I'll click that, and we'll see that we have a couple of options here. So I'm going to copy out the SSO URL. That's going to be my remote login URL over here on the New Relic side. I don't need the entity ID right now, but I do need the certificate. So I'm going to download that certificate. Save that, and it should save to my desktop. You can see that over here on the right hand side. Now here on the New Relic side, I can browse files. I can see it on my desktop. I'm going to open that, and so now that is uploaded here. On the Google side, we need to continue through. We need a couple of bits of information from the New Relic site now. So you can see ACS URL. That is the assertion consumer URL over here. So I can copy this out and just replace what I see over here with that. Same for the entity ID. You can see that over here, entity ID. If yours looks like it doesn't have the ID here, just tick this use custom entity ID box. You'll see that that changes to include that custom account ID. So I'm going to copy that over here, paste that in there. We don't need a start URL, but we do need a name ID format. In New Relic, that name ID needs to be email. So I'm going to set email, and then it will just pick that out from your primary email from your basic information in Google. And we can continue. We don't need any attributes to be matched here, so we can finish on the Google side. Now we can save the changes here on the New Relic side as well. There is one more thing we need to do. We cannot log in here until we have enabled the app on the Google side to the different users that need access to this account. So I need to go up here to user access. I can drop down here and I can just turn it on for everyone. If you have different groups in Google, then obviously you can enable it for different groups. I'm just going to enable it for everyone. And so now when I'm over here in the New Relic side, I can test the login. What that's going to do is it's going to jump to Google. It's going to validate my authentication. And if it works successfully, then it'll allow me to enable SAML permanently on this account. Which you can see here, I can enable SAML login now. That's it. Once you enable that, all of your users will authenticate through Google SSO. Thanks for watching, and check out some more resources in the description below.